Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore solo 401k deductions using IRS Form 5500 support, full guide step by step clearly. To restore solo 401k deductions using IRS Form 5500 support, start by gathering necessary documents related to your solo 401k. Ensure you have your prior tax returns handy, specifically those that filed your solo 401k contributions. Next, determine if you are eligible to make the additional contributions to your solo 401k for the years in question. Consult the IRS guidelines to find out the contribution limits that apply to your plan. Once you have clarified your eligibility and limits, fill out IRS Form 5500. Begin with Part 1 of Form 5500, which includes basic information about your plan. Input the plan name, employer identification number, and year of the plan. Move on to Part 2, where you will specify details about your plan's financial condition. Report the assets and liabilities associated with your solo 401k plan accurately. Next, complete the applicable schedules that correspond with your plan's specifics. Make sure to report contributions appropriately and highlight any deductions you plan to restore. Review the instructions for Form 5500 thoroughly to avoid any mistakes. Once the form is complete, double-check all entries for accuracy. After verifying the form, submit it electronically as required by the IRS. Keep a copy of the submitted Form 5500 for your records. Finally, monitor the status of your Form 5500 submission, ensuring that it is processed correctly. If required, follow up with the IRS or your tax advisor for any additional information needed regarding your deductions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.